Hi guys, welcome to my very first holiday preview. This preview is for the month of October and I'm calling this my Halloween series. Thank you so much for joining me. This is just a brief overview of all of the videos that I'm going to be making this month to show you how I decorated for my glitter glam Halloween party that I will be hosting on the 31st. If you see something here that you like and you want to know how to make, please hit subscribe. That way you will be notified as soon as that particular tutorial comes out. So really briefly, glitter glam pumpkin, bat candle, riser. And this riser is more like if you want to put something on top of it, like if you have a table full of decorations. So you could just pop your pumpkin or your small candy dish on top and make it pop. I have a Halloween gift bag, glitter glam vase with spooky flowers, and one more little overview. So I just wanted to make this brief. I really appreciate all of the love, all of the comments. And like I said, if you see something that you like, please hit subscribe so that you'll know when it comes out. I'll make a tutorial for each item that you're seeing on this display. As always, have a great week. I look forward to talking to you soon.